legalities of operating a truck within the business have not changed. And we still need to train these people and still need good technicians and people who are willing to learn. And part of the enjoyment is watching these people develop from an apprentice all the way through into our master tech level.
We deliver a wide range of technical training, from basic electrics to cutting-edge e-mobility courses. We work closely with Volvo Trucks UK to create, update and adapt our training materials, making sure we stay in step with the latest technologies and vehicle developments. E-mobility is a perfect example of this progress. We are in an electric revolution, and the technicians we train are right at the forefront. It's one of the most exciting and challenging parts of the job. There's a lot to learn and a lot to get right. Their curiosity drives the course. Our job is to stay one step ahead.